Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering complete Matplotlib topic in Python programming. In this Matplotlib topic, I will explain various Python programs in order to draw line plot, bar plot, histogram plot, scatter plot, pyplot and violin plot. Guys, I have uploaded complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide that link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Matplotlib is a powerful tool in Python that helps to create visual representations like charts and graphs for data stored in arrays. Guys, this Matplotlib is nothing but it is powerful Python library. By using this Matplotlib library, whatever the data that is stored in arrays, we can represent the data in the form of charts and graphs. It was made in 2002 by John Hunter. This is simple example. Whatever the data that is stored in arrays, we can represent the data in the form of charts and graphs by using this Matplotlib library. Visualization is useful because, for example, if there is large amount of data, then if we represent the data in the form of diagrams, then it is very easy to understand. These are various plots offered by Matplotlib library. Guys, plots are nothing but graphical representation of data. I will explain all these plots in detail. At first, I will explain what is line plot. Guys, this Matplotlib is library, or you can also call it as module, because library is nothing but collection of modules. So you can also call this Matplotlib as module. At first, I will explain simple Python program in order to draw line plot, and then I will explain this definition. First step is you need to import Matplotlib module. So write here import module name, that is Matplotlib. Don't give any space. Import Matplotlib dot. Inside this Matplotlib module, there is one submodule called pyplot. You need to import pyplot. So write here import Matplotlib dot pyplot, where this Matplotlib is module and pyplot is submodule in this Matplotlib module. And I am giving short name as PLT. This is alias name. Instead of writing complete module name, we can write alias name. Next, we need to show list of arrays. So for that purpose, we need to import numpy module. So write here import numpy, and I am giving alias name as np. So I imported two modules. Next, we need to take two variables, x and y, where x will store elements for x axis and y will store elements for y axis. So write x equal to np, that is module name np dot array of. Inside this we can take array of elements. I will take 4, 7, 5 and 9, close array, and similarly take y equal to np dot array of 8, 4, 10, 6. One array will point to x axis and next array will point to y axis. By using plot function we can draw plot. So write here module name. There is no need of writing this complete module name. You can use alias name. So write here module name, that is plt dot plot function. Inside this plot function you need to pass x, y. So this plot function will create plot. Now in this array, we need to consider first x value and first y value. Here first x value is 4. So it is considered as x axis, and next y value is 8. It is considered as y axis. So x value is 4. So from here 4 and y axis value is 8. So here x axis value is 4 and y axis value is 8. So it will create one point, and next two values 7 and 4. So x axis is 7 and y axis is 4. So x axis is 7 and y axis is 4. It will create one point here and it will form a line. And similarly next two values 5 and 10. X axis is 5, and y axis is 10. And it will form a line. And next two values, x value is 9 and y value is 6. So x value is 9 and y value is 6. It will form a line. Just it will keep on joining these points. So by using this plot function, we can create line plots. Here I want to give title as line plot. So write here module name, that is plt dot title. Inside title method you can give title. So in quotations I will give title as line plot. And similarly I want to give x-axis name as x-axis and y-axis name as y-axis. You can give any name. I will give x-axis name as x-axis and y-axis name as y-axis. So write here plt dot x label. Inside x label function you can give name of x-axis. So write here x-axis. And similarly write here plt dot y label. Inside quotations write y-axis. And in order to display this output, you need to use show method. So write here plt, which is module name dot show. So by using show function we can see output. Guys, this is simple Python program in order to create line plot. I'll give one more example. Same program, just in place of each point I want to use star symbol in place of each point. And that too, star must be blue color and star edges must be red color. And in place of normal lines, I want to use dashed lines. I will write program for this. Guys, same program, just you need to change this one line. In place of writing plt.plot of x comma y, you need to write plt.plot of x comma y comma marker. Marker equal to star in quotations. So in place of each point it will take star symbol. And that too, star color must be blue. So write here comma MFC, where MFC stands for marker face color. Marker face color is blue color. So write small b in quotations comma. Next marker edge color MEC, that is marker edge color is equal to red color comma. So the star size must be 10. So write here MS, that is marker size equal to 10. So the star size will be 10 comma. Next in place of normal line I want to use dashed line. So write here line style is equal to dashed line. So write here line style is equal to dashed comma. This dashed line color must be red. So write here color equal to R in quotations. Guys, you can take small alphabets and close this bracket. Guys, you can use various colors where small r stands for red color and small g stands for green color and b stands for blue color and y stands for yellow color and k stands for black color and w stands for white color. You can use various colors. You can also use dotted lines. So in place of writing dashed, you can write dotted. So it will create dotted lines. So inside this plot function you can pass all these parameters. By using Matplotlib tool in Python, we need to set numerical values for horizontal x and vertical y. Here we give numerical values for horizontal x and vertical y. And by using plot function, we can draw a line connecting these points. So by using this plot method, we can draw a line by connecting these points. And at last, in order to see output, you need to use show function. Show function will display output. Next I will explain what is bar plot. A bar plot is a straightforward way to show data using bars of different lengths. Each bar represents a category and the heights of the bar corresponds to the numerical values it represents. Guys, I will give one program so that you can clearly understand this definition. To represent a bar plot in Matplotlib, you can use the bar function. Guys, previously in line plot, to draw line plots we used a plot function. Whereas in order to draw bar plots, you need to use bar function. I'll give one simple program. At first you need to import Matplotlib. So write import Matplotlib, which is module name dot submodule, that is pyplot. Guys, in order to draw various plots, definitely you need to import pyplot submodule. So write here pyplot as alias name, that is plt. Next, in order to store arrays, we need to import numpy. So write import numpy as np, where a stands for alias name. Here I am using short name, that is np. Similarly, take values for x-axis and y-axis. So write here x equal to np dot array of. Inside array, I am taking multiple values like C, Java, Python, C++. I took array of 4 elements, and similarly y-axis is equal to np dot array of 8 comma 4 comma 10 comma 6. Guys, just remember that if you take only 4 values in x-axis, then you have to take only 4 values in y-axis. Next, write module name. There is no need of writing complete name. You can use alias name, that is plt dot bar. By using this bar function, we can draw bar plot. So open bracket and write x comma y. Whenever you run these 3 lines of code, it will create bar plot. C height 8 and next is Java 4, Python 10 and C++ 6. So first one is C programming and height is 8. And next one is Java height 4. And next one is Python height 10. And last one is C++ height is 6. And next I want to give this title as 2024 BTech result. So write here PLT, which is module name dot title. Inside this you can give title in quotations. So inside quotations write 2024 BTech results. And I want to give X label as subjects and Y label as results. Write here PLT, which is module name dot X label subjects in quotations comma PLT dot Y label. Guys, don't give any space. Results in quotations. Guys, in order to see output, definitely at last you need to write plt dot show. The show function will display output. Guys, this is simple Python program in order to draw this bar plot. A bar plot is a straightforward way to show data using bars of different lengths. Each bar represents a category. Guys, category is nothing but, here in this example, category is C, Java, Python and C++. So each bar represents a category and heights of the bar corresponding to numerical values. Based on our numerical values, height will be decided. So there will be bars of different lengths based on our given height. Next I will explain what is histogram plot. A histogram plot is a way to display the distribution of data by dividing it into intervals. Guys, we can also call this intervals as bins, and showing the frequency of values falling into each bin using bars. I will explain one simple program so you can easily understand this definition. Guys, in order to draw histogram plots, you need to use hist function. So at first you need to import Matplotlib module and NumPy module. So write import Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt and next write import NumPy as np. Next I want to create 3 bars. So I am taking x equal to np dot array of 1 to 3. Next I am taking 2 variables y and z. Total I want to create 3 bars where y will show width of each bar and z will show height of each bar, where first bar width is from 0.5 to 1.5. So I am taking width as 0.5 comma 1.5. This is width of first bar and height is 1. So first bar width is from 0.5. So starting from here 0.5 to 1.5 till here, and height is 1. So this is 1 bar. And similarly second bar width is from 1.5 to 2.5 and second bar width is from 1.5 to 2.5 and height is 2. So 1.5 to, so starting from here to 2.5. So till here 2.5 and height is 2. And third bar width 2.5 to 4.8 for example, and height is 1. So starting from 2.5. So starting from here to 4.8 here till here, and height is 1. So first bar width is from 0.5 to 1.5 and second bar width is from 1.5 to 2.5 and third bar width is from 2.5 to 4.8. In order to draw this histogram plot, you need to use hist function. So write here plt dot hist of, my data is stored in variable x. So write here x comma bins equal to, bins is nothing but width, I already said, intervals. We also call bins as intervals. So intervals are stored in variable y. So write here y, bins are nothing but intervals, and next write weights equal to z, it will show height, comma. Last one is edge color. Edge color equal to black in quotations. Guys, this edge color is not mandatory. For example, if you don't write edge color equal to black, it will not represent black color. So directly it will draw plot like this. Like this. But if you want to represent each bar in black color, you can use edge color equal to black. And I want to give this title as histogram plot, x label as values and y label as frequency. And in order to see this output, you need to use show method. Write here plt dot show. show is function, so take brackets. This is simple program for histogram plot. Next I will explain what is scatter plot. A scatter plot is like a dot to dot drawing where each dot represents a pair of values from your data. Guys, I will give an example so that you can clearly understand this definition. And in order to draw scatter plot, you have to use scatter function. At first you need to import Matplotlib. So write import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. And next take x-axis and y-axis. By taking x-axis and y-axis, it will create dot. And next take x1 and y1, where this x-axis and y-axis represent girls and whereas this x1 and y1 represent boys. Next write plt, which is module name dot scatter function, scatter of x comma y comma label is nothing but text, that is for girls, comma color color, color equal to red color, so r in quotations. So this x and y. And similarly x1 and y1 is for boys. So write here plt, which is module name dot scatter of x1 comma y1 comma label equal to boys close quotations comma color equal to blue. So at first we will draw points for girls. So first one is x-axis 1 and y-axis is 2. Color is red. So it will draw one point here. Scatter plot will draw points. And similarly next one, x-axis 2 and y-axis 3. So x-axis 2 and y-axis 3 here. And next one is 3 1, x-axis 3 and y-axis 1 here. And next one is x-axis 4 and y-axis 2 here. And next x-axis 5 and y-axis 1. These are girls results. And similarly next boys results, x-axis 2 and y-axis 6 and color is blue. X-axis is 2 and y-axis is 6. So 2 and 6 here. And next one, x-axis 3, 3 6, 3 and 6. And next 3 6. So 3 and 6 here. And next one, x-axis 5 and y-axis 3. So 5 and 3 here. And next 6 4, 6 and 4. And next one 4 and 5. So 4 and 5. By seeing this scatter plot, you can clearly understand that boy score is more when compared to girl score. I want to give title as results of boys and girls. Similarly plt dot small letters x label, and inside brackets I want to give girls and boys. So write here girls and boys, and y axis is marks. Write here plt dot y label of marks. Guys, in order to see output, at last you need to write plt dot show. The show function will display output. Guys, this is simple program for scatter plot. Next I will explain what is pyplot. Guys, in order to draw pie charts, you need to use py function. Guys, this pyplot is circular statistical plot that will display series of data. Guys, this is simple program to draw pyplot. At first you need to import Matplotlib module, and next you need to import numpy module. And next I written x equal to numpy dot array of 35 comma 15 comma 25 and 25. Guys, for example, there is 100%. Out of 100%, 35% of students joined in AML, 15% joined in DS, 25 in CSC and 25 in ECE. So next I took y equal to AML comma DS comma CSC comma ECE. Next write module name, that is plt dot py. By using this py function we can draw pyplot. So inside brackets write x comma labels equal to y, and whenever you write here plt dot show, this is my output. So 35% AML, next DS 15%, CSC 25% and ECE 25%. This is my output. This is one more example. Just I want to explode this AML part. Explode is nothing but separate. I want to represent this AML part separately. So same example, just take another variable z equal to, I want to separate only AML part. So separation is 0.5, so gap is 0.5, comma, I don't want to separate remaining parts, so I took 0, 0, 0. So only it will separate AML part. And next write here plt dot py, x comma labels equal to y. Because if you don't write labels equal to y, then it will not display this information. So write labels equal to y comma explode equal to z. And if you want to add shadows, you can also write shadows equal to true. Whenever you run this code, this is my output, where the show function will display output. Last one is violin plot. If you want to draw violin plot, you can use violin plot function. In this violin plot, data representation will be in the form of violin. That is why we call it as violin plot. This is example. At first write import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and next write import numpy as input. I want to create 4 boxes. So first box is a equal to 1 2 3 4. So starting from 1 to 4. So starting from 1 to 4. So first box starting from 1 to 4. And next one, second box starting from 2 to 5. So starting from 2 to 5. And third box starting from 3 to 6. And fourth one starting from 4 to 7. So starting from 4 to 7. So this box is in the form of violin. So take a, b, c, d values and next take variable data equal to store these variables a, b, c, d. Store this entire information in the form of list and next write here plt, which is module name dot violin plot. By using this violin plot function, we can create violin plot. And next, my information is stored in variable data. Write here data comma, guys, median is nothing but middle point, and I written here show medians equal to true. Guys, show medians is nothing but it will show middle point. So and plt.show will display output. This is my output. This is all about violin plot.